Hi, this is Shenoy. Today I'm going to show you how to grow your own avocado tree from seed. After you prepare guacamole dip with avocados, try save pits to grow into avocado trees. First, remove and clean pit. Locate which end is up and which is down. Then pierce with toothpicks. Place avocado seed half submerged in a glass of water. Wait for your avocado seed to sprout. It took me 3 months. The crack will extend all the way to the bottom of the avocado pit, and through the crack at the bottom, a tiny taproot will begin to emerge. The taproot will grow longer and longer and may branch, and eventually a small sprout will peek through the top of the avocado pit. Hope you like this video. Try grow your own avocado tree from seed.